It's time for another Lego building vlog. Me and Naph, you ready to go, buddy?
Yeah!
Set is a 10.
So this one is for the monster truck, and this one is for the rocky part, and the tent, and the bunny, and the shovel, and the pan, and the fire, and the dirt bikes, and the people.
Are those bicycles or dirt bikes though?
Dirt bikes. Where's the big screen camera?
Wait, they have a vlogging camera?
Yeah.
Nice.
Dad, look, the girl has tight legs and the guy has big legs.
You can't reach the bike pedals. She's tiny. Oh, God, you want more water?
Ooh, look at the bunny. You want to feel the bunny?
Yeah. Solomon got a VW bus as a gift.
Yeah, he built it in one day, not even 2 days or something.
That's so funny, dude.
We can't go into it. Yeah.
Here's the frying pan in
Ice
the
cream
fire.
and bananas.
Yeah, ice cream and bananas. Oh, are we gonna make like a banana s'mores pie?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good to me, buddy. It's cold and windy outside today, so it's nice to be inside cozy warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good in Legos.
Yep.
So good. See that connector? Goes on there. Some good looking doors, huh? This one. But the window in this piece. Can you build those? Oh, yeah. What's the song that we should play on the truck radio when they go camping?
Oh, I know what song.
What song?
The Lego song.
This song's gonna get stuck inside you. This song, that one?
No.
Which one?
It's this song. Don't throw out my Legos, Legos. What if I come back home? Well, I guess we are done with the
Wow.
stuff.
Good build, buddy. So cool.
I didn't have a Lego monster truck like this before.
No, you haven't. It's really cool.
Bonk,
It's called bouncy.
bonk,
Oh, suspension. I think that's what it's called. I don't know.
bonk,
Whoa.
bonk,